Let me tell you something I see almost every week in the clinic. A man walks in, sometimes in his 30s, sometimes in his 50s, and they say, my testosterone must be low. I'm tired, I'm flat, my drive's down, and I just don't feel like myself. He's already tried the supplements, the gym grind, the YouTube hacks, sometimes even paid hundreds of dollars for fancy TRT style men's clinic. And when we check his hormones, they're fine, more than fine. The real problem? Stress. Not a dramatic kind, not divorce or crisis. I'm talking about slow drip, the daily load that tightens your chest and dulls your spark without you even noticing. The kind that hijacks your hormones quietly, messes with your erections slowly, and convinces you that something's wrong with you, when your body is actually doing exactly what it thinks it needs to do to survive. Before we go deeper, if you are the type of man who likes clarity and wants to know exactly which system is holding you back, take my free vitality check quiz. It takes less than a minute and it shows you whether your biggest block is hormonal, mental, or relational. Link is right below. Now let's talk about what the stress really does. You're not broken. Your hormones aren't shutting down. Your body is responding perfectly to the pressure you're under. You've just been living in survival mode, not thriving mode. Let's fix that. Here's what really happens inside your body when a stress builds up. When your brain senses pressure, deadline, tension, conflict, even low-grade emotional clutter, it hits the survival switch. Your adrenal glands pump out cortisol, your stress hormone. Cortisol is fantastic when you're running from a tiger, but terrible when you're trying to relax, to connect, or to get hard, because cortisol blocks your brain signal to release testosterone, hijacks dopamine, and reduces nitric oxide, which unlocks erection. Tells your nervous system sex is not safe right now. It's like trying to play a love song, but the fire alarm is blaring in the background. No one can hear the music. That's what cortisol does to your arousal system. It doesn't break it, it drowns it. And here's the kicker. Most of the stress that wrecks your hormones isn't dramatic. It's the small stuff, the constant phone pings, the 11 p.m. emails, the relationship tensions you haven't talked through, the late night scrolling, the pressure to perform everywhere, at work, at home, even in bed. One of my clients, mid-40, successful, very organized guy, told me, I don't feel stressed. I just feel responsible. But responsibility is a stress when it never turns off. He didn't collapse, he didn't break down. He just gradually lost his spark, his energy, and eventually his erections. And like most men, he pushed harder. More caffeine, less sleep, more pressure. That's like driving with that check engine lights on and turning the music volume up so you can't hear the engine struggling. Eventually, the car forces you to stop. That's usually when men find their way to me. If you're listening to this and thinking, damn, this is literally my life, then I made something for you. My free 3-day training, The Hard Truth, where we reset the entire stress hormone loop in small doable steps. If you are the kind of man who actually wants to fix the foundation, not just chase symptoms, then start The Hard Truth. It's linked below. But here's the good news. Your hormones aren't damaged, they're reactive. And once you teach your system that it's safe again, everything, your energy, desire, erection quality, starts coming back online. Here's how we do it. Step 1, breathe like a CEO. Your exhale is your secret weapon. 4 seconds in through your nose, 6 seconds out through your mouth. 1 minute of this drops cortisol fast. Your nervous system softens. Your body re-enters pleasure mode. Do this before bed, before sex, before a stressful conversation. This is one of the fastest natural ways to support testosterone. Step 2, sleep is your natural TRT. Most of your testosterone is produced while you sleep. Just 5 nights of poor sleep can drop your testosterone by 10 to 15%, and no supplement can override that. Your new rules should look like this. Same bedtime every night, even weekend. Your brain loves rhythm more than hacks. This alone can completely transform your hormone balance. Step 3, feed your hormones. Stress eats nutrient. Hormones need nutrients. Magnesium, zinc, omega-3, foods like salmon, nuts, eggs, dark chocolate, berries, greens, This doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be consistent. When your body feels supported, your hormones return the favor. And step 4, the mind reset habit. Every man I've worked with who overcome stress-related ED learned one thing: how to slow his mind down. No meditation for 1 hour, just 5 quiet minutes without stimulation. I mean, no phone, no music, no scrolling, because when your mind calms down, your erection wakes up. I worked with a guy, 46, business owner, very high performer. He said, Armin, I can handle pressure in every part of my life except one. He wasn't broken. He wasn't running on adrenaline. We didn't touch supplements. We didn't touch hormones. We anchored 3 things: breathing, stillness, sleep rhythm. 2 weeks later, he told me, for the first time in years, I felt natural. I wasn't thinking or worrying. My body just responded. That's not luck, that's your nervous system finally feeling safe. So before you chase hormones or gadgets or expensive clinic, understand your system first. That's exactly what the Vitality Check quiz can help you. It shows you whether the real issue is stress, hormones, or connection. It's free, it's private, and less than a minute. And if you're a kind of man who doesn't want to just sit alone in this, and if you want a real conversation with someone who specializes in this, you can book a free Empower Plan call with me using the link below. Zero pressure, zero awkwardness, just clarity, direction, and seeing whether I can help you. Here's the bottom line. You can't fix stress with a pill. You fix it by retraining your body to feel safe again. When that happens, your hormones rebalance, your energy returns, your erections follow. This isn't magic, it's biology finally working with you. Now, if stress hits your hormone during the day, there's another trap that hits you in the moment during sex. It's the thing that makes you lose your erection halfway through, even when everything started great. If you have ever felt that sudden drop during sex, watch my other video why you suddenly lose your erection during sex and how you can easily fix it. I break down exactly what's happening and how to stop it. Click it and I'll see you there.